Salesforce can be overwhelming, but it doesn't have to be. Whether you're adopting Salesforce for the first time or looking to maximize your ROI, CrossPeak Solutions is here to help. Our team of over 30 Salesforce experts have the knowledge and experience to assist you in tailoring Salesforce to fit your business needs. Founded in 2017, CrossPeak Solutions started as a small team with one mission: to put our clients' goals first and use Salesforce to accomplish them. Almost a decade later, our team has expanded with offices in 3 countries. However, our mission stays the same.
We founded CrossPeak Solutions 8 years ago with the goal to create a company where innovation, client success, and an amazing team culture come together, and we've done just that.
Our wide range of Salesforce expertise can help you identify the best CRM solution to fit your business. We have completed over 500 projects for businesses in industries including transportation, construction, manufacturing, and more. When working with clients, our project approach emphasizes communication and collaborative development. View client success stories on our website and see why we score 9.86 out of 10 for customer satisfaction. Ready to unlock Salesforce's full potential? Join us today and start your journey to Salesforce success.